Remy, what are you doing?
You know what I'm doing.
What was that?
I said, you know what I'm doing.
Right.
Checking out this M3.
Driving?
Remy.
Yeah, let's go. You ain't let Remy drive?
Any of you want?
On the 6, fam.
What?
On the 6.
6.
Alright, so what are we doing today?
We're about to go shoot guns for the first time. Well, not me, but actually, yeah, me, because I'm scared of guns.
Okay.
But we're gonna take Amrish to, you know, show him what it's like in America. You know, rubber bullets. If you fuck around, there's real consequences in real life situations.
You want to kill people, alright?
No, nobody said that. We're shooting paper, okay? So, you know, this guy was trying to say it's violent. He was like, how are you gonna go to church and then go shoot guns? I was like, what do you mean?
It's the American way. Okay.
We're shooting fucking paper, okay?
Yeah.
The only thing I'm hurting is the environment. That's it.
Pretty much.
Okay?
How much trees is it?
Yeah, you should tell that to Mr. VA-M3 over here and the fucking 2 V12s in the garage. So,
No comment from Remy.
he's too busy fucking trying to put on more life on the fucking car before we leave.
Free smoke, free smoke.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
After all.
Guns for the first time.
Hey, man.
Show Remy from the 6. Look at this guy
he's
cannot
already
even
going.
wait.
Look at him.
He can't even wait. Let's go, fam.
Let's go, fam.
What's it? What's the term?
Say it ain't so. Or
No,
what is
what's-
it? Say name so. What's so name?
Amish, you ready to shoot some guns and get freedom
What
going?
name's up?
There
What
you go.
name?
Right here. Don't put a finger right here. Always keep it below.
So what you're looking at right now, look, it's going like that just a tiny bit. You'll be right in the middle.
Wait. What happened? You got jammed.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah, that smell.
Yeah. It smells like fireworks.
I know, I like it.
It's hot. But it probably burnt you. It did that to me.
Right there, baby. Made in the USA.
Put that thumbs up.
Now get Amrish too. Go from here to Amrish.
Where?
Let's go.
Hey! He didn't mean that. He doesn't even know what this means. Totally, he loves fucking Trump. He loves George Bush. He loves
It's like, stop.
Push it down 11.
Food time.
Where's the jacket?
Oh, you gotta pay?
Yeah, fam. Oh, you gotta pay it.
I put it in here. I will keep this for your vlog.
Yo, who parked that car?
It's pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, who parked that car?
Hey man,
Fuck.
Did you not get enough credit at home for parking cars?
you want a cookie?
Fuck.
Is that why? Are you trying to overcompensate something right now?
And I backed in. Fuck.
And I bet, yo, you know what you could have done too? Could have just pulled in right
Yeah.
behind me, fam.
But he's in his own space.
What do you mean?
You mean what I mean?
He's in his own space here.
Yeah.
Yeah, fam. Yeah, fucking fam. Sorry, I get a little
It's okay.
carried away.
You're running. Hey, Dan.
You see those girls I honked at?
Wait, yeah, why were you flashing your lights?
Oh, you're fucking going like this like a dummy. I'm like, yo, pick your side, fam.
You act like I'm not a dummy.
You are.
Okay then. So,
But you couldn't pick your side. I'm like, yo, where's this guy
nah,
going?
because I got a little confused and I adjusted.
What?
Lock it, fam.
Come on, fam.
Yeah.
Yeah, fam.
It's push start. Why I get the key? Why you wearing that?
Remember?
I'll do what I want.
What is it? Onions.
No. It's squid with marinara.
What's up, fam? We out here live. TTF Feast Part 97. Because we usually do this too often.